Hi guys! Welcome to our channel, Fina and
Steffi, today we're gonna make a cake.
Okay! Sprinkles?
Yeah, it's sprinkles. What is this?
Milk?
What is this?
It's a sugar.
What is this?
Tummy.
What is this?
It's a butter.
What is this?
It's an egg.
What is this?
It's a flour.
What is this?
It's a chocolate.
What is this?
It is salt.
Baking powder.
A baking powder.
So let's get started.
Hand the cake.
First, what is this?
It's an egg.
Cracked egg. Sissy cracked egg, okay?
Okay.
Now mix. Mix, mix, mix. Put all flour. Now mix, 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 mix. Now our milk.
Okay.
Now mix. Now put in the sugar.
Okay.
Good job. Now mix.
Now a chocolate chip.
Chocolate chips, okay. All with chocolate chips. Good job. Mix.
And
Now the butter.
okay. Now what?
Baking powder.
And baking powder. And the sprinkles.
Okay. A mix. Now put. What is this?
Excellent.
Vanilla essence. Now mix. We are done mixing. Time for baking.
Okay.
Good job.
Cupcake.
Now put the sprinkles.
Okay.
I'll put it in this one.
Now a muffin. Muffin. Put it in the oven.
Okay. Now it's ready.
Yeah.
Now?
Twisty cake.
Yeah, it's a squishy cake. Do you want to eat now?
Yes.
Okay, take one and eat. Yay! Take the candle out.
Birthday.
Now cut like this. Sit up. That's so yummy. Say happy birthday.
Yay.
Happy birthday.
To you.
Happy birthday.
To you.
Happy birthday.
To you, baby.
No, it's my birthday, not birthday. Wait. Put flour.
Okay.
All of the sugar. Like put all of this.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Sissy.